subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update.
Vivo S1, it's my
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Aishwarya Singh, and on behalf of Vivo India, I'd like to extend my gratitude to each one of you for gracing this event with your presence. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to witness the amalgamation of technology and design, and how a smartphone can become a fashion accessory. Style makes the best of who we are, but what truly is style? Well, we've got the answer for you. And so, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Nipun Maurya, Director Brand Strategy, Vivo India, to share more on Vivo's journey in India. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming on stage Mr. Nipun Maurya.
Good evening. Good evening to all our media friends and business partners. We welcome you to yet another launch from Vivo. But today, we are not launching just another product. We are launching a new series, the Vivo S series. Can we have a huge round of applause? Thanks. But before we dive deeper, let me share a trivia with you. Spare a few seconds and do a quick Google search with the keywords style accessory. I did, and I got 1.3 billion search results in less than 1 second. The results showed me bags, watches, shades, caps, keyrings. One result even showed a pocket knife. In all these lists, though, I found one item missing, an item which is most personal to us, an item that you flaunt in your hand and flaunt on the table. Yet, when it comes to things which enhance your style, this is missing. Did we, as an industry, miss something this obvious? With these questions and 1.3 billion search results, let's move forward. Before we dive deeper into the S series, let me share with you a key milestone we will achieve this year. We complete 5 years in India in 2019. And these 5 years have made us stronger. Yeah. Thanks. And these 5 years have made us stronger, wiser, and hungrier. Stronger from our successes, wiser through our mistakes, and hungrier from all the love we have received from our consumers in India. And it is this hunger that has pushed us to launch this all-new Vivo S series. And this series caters to a very important question. Is your phone only a tool? Or does it do the most important job of enhancing your personality while also making you more effective and efficient? We believe it is certainly the latter. Hence, the Vivo S series, which is a perfect blend of style and substance. Style through its looks, and substance through its performance and selfie capabilities. A 32-megapixel AI selfie camera can certainly oomph your style. I have talked so much about style, but if I were to ask some of you, what do you mean by style? Someone will say, style is personal. Some of you will say, style is individualistic, while some of you may say, style gives us confidence and presence. How do our... And that, dear friends, is the genesis of the Vivo S series. What better way to complement this new series than have a celebrity who also perfectly blends style with substance. A face known for a unique charm and charisma, and someone who's a youth icon in India. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to announce Sara Ali Khan as the brand ambassador for Vivo for the S series. From the day we have announced the S series, our consumers haven't stopped engaging with us on how much they are looking forward to the Vivo S1. Close to 60 million video views and more than 6,000 comments in just a week. We are truly overwhelmed. While our consumers are eagerly awaiting for the launch, we also know all our media friends and business partners here are also equally excited. So, without delaying any further, I will now like to invite on stage Ankit Malhotra, Product Manager for the Vivo S1. Thank you for your time. Love India, love Vivo.
Thank you so much, sir. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Vivo's Style event. Today, we unveil the Vivo's brand new and stylish S series. When we were designing S series, we came across a special group of consumers who not only wanted style in their smartphones, they demanded it. People who were not trend followers, but rather they started trends. S series is the personification of style in smartphones. With S series, we fulfill the demand of style in smartphones. But what else does S mean for you? Say S for a stylish appearance. Say S for a stunning camera. Say S for a smooth experience. Ladies and gentlemen, let's help me in welcoming the first generation of Vivo's stylish S series, the Vivo S1. Can we have a round of applause, please? Thank you. Say S for a stylish appearance. But what do you mean when we say a stylish appearance? For starters, we have provided S1 with a premium 2.5D finish. Our designers have taken great care while designing these devices. Both the colors you see on your phone on your screen right now have an interesting story behind them. These are one of the best looking phones that I have ever seen. And trust me, as a product manager, I have seen a lot of phones. Let's start with Skyline Blue. Many of us have had the joy of watching an evening sky in a world-class city. We have taken those multiple shades of blue and recreated that effect to give you the Skyline Blue color in S1. Also, coming to the diamond black, we have taken inspiration from one of the most rarest, one of the most precious metals that you find on Earth, at the diamonds. The subtle diamond pattern brings out the finer elements of the world's most precious element, which gives your phone a unique, standout look. Not only in the color, we have also made the screen of your phone very beautiful. We have equipped S1 with a Super AMOLED display that lets you see all the content ranging from videos to pictures to your social media account in style. This Super AMOLED display is not only beautiful to look at, not only provides good colors, not only has deeper blacks, when you compare it to an IPS panel, it also gives you an extended battery life. The display is 6.38 inches big, and it has an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. And it has a high screen-to-body ratio of 90% thanks to its very slim bezels. We have also used a DCI P3 98% color gamut technology on S1 screen so that each color displayed on your screen looks accurate and true as the designers designed it. S1 has also innovates in the styling part. We bring a cool flash in-display fingerprint scanning technology to S1. Since Vivo has innovated in the in-display fingerprint scanning space, it has become the leading trend of smartphone technology. With S1 too, you can also unlock with an in-display fingerprint scanning technology. You can unlock your phone in just 0.48 seconds and use these cool animations to unlock your phone. Say S for a stunning camera because S1 comes with a 32 megapixel AI selfie camera. Thank you. We know you love taking selfies, and your love for selfies inspires us to give you a better selfie taking experience. And with S1, we also bring you a massive industry-leading 32 megapixel selfie camera. All these pictures that you see on your screen right now have been taken by S1. All of them have great detail, great clarity, and great natural colors. We also have a fun mode to complement this powerful front camera that we call AR stickers. Whatever mood you want to express, you can use these unique AR stickers to express your mood and become a star on social media. These AR stickers are specially designed for Indian audience and are updated regularly so that you never get bored by using these AR stickers. Now let us move forward and talk about the rear camera. The S1 comes with an AI triple rear camera setup on its back, which enables you to take portrait shots and wide-angle shots. The main camera here is a 16 megapixel Sony IMX499 sensor with an aperture level of f1.78 that lets you take great pictures in every light condition. The pixel size of 1.12 micron also helps you in getting more clarity into your images. It not only helps you take clear images, we have also equipped the software with loads and loads of features in the S1's camera. Let me tell you about two of them. With AI super wide-angle camera, you can capture more. Now, your imagination should not be narrowed down by the narrow lens of your smartphone. With AI super wide-angle camera, you can take pictures of up to 120 degrees wide and expand your horizon. When you use the AI super wide-angle camera, you can take images like this. Another interesting feature in the camera of S1 that we really like is the AI portrait lighting. You can choose up to 5 different animations and use them to customize your portraits, ranging from studio light to loop light, rainbow light, and monochrome background. Say S for a smooth experience. Smooth experience is the soul of any great device. At Vivo, we always put customer satisfaction at the top. The S1 also, that is the case. S1 comes with up to 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. That is also expandable by a triple card slot system of up to 256 GB. We know that texting, tweeting, chatting, messaging can take up a lot of battery. That is why S1 comes with a big 4500 mAh of battery. And even though this battery is very big, the phone is still very slim and lightweight to use. This battery can also be refilled very quickly with Vivo's own 18-watt dual-engine fast-charging technology. Not only that, this battery can also be used to charge other devices as well. You can use S1 and take that to charge other devices like your smartwatches, smart bands, by just using an OTG cable. One more interesting feature that I really like on FunTouch OS 9.0 is the new improved UI interface. The new improved UI interface gives you a better visual experience than what you have experienced in FunTouch so far. We also have a system-wide dark mode that not only gives your phone a very cool-looking effect, but also makes it more battery efficient. We also have a very well-equipped Ultra Game mode for you. From a newly developed notification system to game-in, game picture, or to a Do Not Disturb mode, you have a plethora of features to make sure to take your gaming experience to a new level. Let's see all the features of S1 in this short and stylish video.
I've got a feeling taking over. It runs the world and shakes the earth, and that's the word. Just lean on me when you get colder. Our voices will be heard, 'cause we know better. This is our time and it's all over.
Thank you. Let's review the key features of S1. S1 comes with a 6.39 inches Super AMOLED Halo Full View display. It has a massive 32 megapixel selfie camera, a triple rear camera on its back, flash in-display fingerprint scanning, 4500 mAh battery, 18-watt dual-engine fast charging, FunTouch OS 9.0, and Jovi AI Assistant. Now that's all from my side, and for the price, you have to wait for a little more. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much indeed, Mr. Nipun Maurya and Mr. Ankit Malhotra. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have a fun and fashionable segment for all of you to experience the style marvel that Vivo is launching today. So I'd just like to say, sit back and enjoy the show.
S1. The Silver Day will be tomorrow, and the variants of 4 plus 128 will be start selling from tomorrow. The price is $17,990. And also, we have another 2 variants which to satisfy the consumer's demands, which is 6 GB plus 64 GB and 8 GB, 6 GB plus 128 GB. The price is $18,990 and $19,990. It will be coming very soon. So thank you so much for being part of this launch. Love India, love Vivo.
Smartphones, the S1 is finally in town. I thank you all for taking the time out and joining us today. We hope you all had a great time, but that's not all. I hope that you will come back. For now, it's time to proceed to the height area, but come back for Vivo's first ever S-themed party that starts at 7. And ladies and gentlemen, that's not all. I want all of you to please look at the screen. And here are the exciting offers for the Vivo S1. Can we have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? What a spectacle to behold. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This is your host, Aishwarya.